Hey, it's gonna be a little equi. I'm in the bathroom, but I'm in LA, and Joey and I are gonna have a little date night. We're going to a concert. Always is playing in LA. We just drove past the Hollywood Bowl, and there's like Always is playing. It's like one of our favorite bands. So we decided to get tickets. So we're gonna turn into a little date night. We haven't had one in a long time because we've been working. So I'm gonna show you how I get ready for date night, what makes me feel sexy, how I get sexy for date night. So first I'm gonna start off with this primer, and I'm gonna put this on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go through not just like makeup and hair for date night. I'm gonna like actually show you other things that I do. But let's put on foundation first. So for foundation, I have been loving this Milk makeup in light medium. Just obsessed with it. Such good coverage, like my favorite kind of finish. I love it. And I'm just using like a normal foundation brush, and then I will buff it out. So the lighting is a little strange in here, but we gotta work with what we got when we're in hotel rooms. But yeah, love this finish. And Milk makeup products are vegan, cruelty-free, which is always nice, so everyone can enjoy. I just put up my lip filler vlog, and my chest looks really red, but I swear it's not that red in real life. And I'm really nervous. People are savage on the internet, let me tell you. So just buffing it out with this brush. Okay, so next thing, wait, Joey, where's the razor and stuff? You packed it. Next is concealer, and I've been also using the Milk Makeup Concealer, and I've been loving this as well. Love the finish, love the coverage. Definitely, I've been using this like every day since I got it when I was in New York. The first thing, I mean, obviously my process of like getting ready for date night starts in the shower. And since I'm traveling, I don't have a lot of the products that I would normally use. So I'm gonna like talk about some products, but I might not have them on me. So I will link them down below. But I mean, while you're traveling, you kind of gotta make do with what you got. But I wanna make sure that I actually tell you like the products that I love and use all the time. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you would have known that last year, my shower routine, I talked about Dollar Shave Club. I've been using Dollar Shave Club since I moved out of my parents' house. It's just like the most affordable way. I find razors just like extremely overpriced. And when someone told me about Dollar Shave Club, it was like life-changing. So they're actually sponsoring this video. So thank you, Dollar Shave Club, for sponsoring this video, because I've been using you for like 2-3 years now, almost 3 years, and I love you. So basically what Dollar Shave Club is, it's a monthly subscription service for razors. That's how I found out about it. And then when we partnered together, they sent me the executive razor, and it's like the 5-blade, and it's just glorious, let me tell you. You can like skip a month. I usually get my razor heads every other month. Because I'm not that hairy. So Dollar Shave Club is actually giving away their Daily Essential Starter Kit for $5, which is an incredible deal. You get 3 mini sizes of their most popular products. They have expanded their range since I started using them, and they actually have a ton of different products now. And then you also get the executive razor, and you get the blades as well. This is normally like $9 Canadian. After you buy the Daily Essential Starter Kit, the blade, you get the heads for just a few dollars a month. I was using the middle one, which is like around $7 a month for like the past 3 years. But now that I have the executive one, I'm like, I think I'm gonna switch over to that one, because I love this razor a lot. It's so good, and it's so inexpensive. You can get the deal that I just spoke about at dollarshaveclub.com/Allegra. It will be linked in the down bar, so check it out. Huge fan of Dollar Shave Club. I think that spending $30 on razors is insane. So this is such a good deal, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm using it for 3 years. So I'm super happy to partner with companies that I actually use and love and I'm obsessed with. So thank you, Dollar Shave Club. So that gives me a super close shave, and I will shave, you know, everything I need to shave. And then I will also in the shower, I will exfoliate. So I don't have my normal exfoliator on me, but I love the sorry, I'm trying to look for something right now. My contour. I love the Salah Skin and Seed scrub. It will be linked down below. The scent of that is so good, and I love the way it just like, it's so buttery on the skin after you exfoliate. I'm using the Nudies by Nude Sticks in Maple, Deep Maple A. So yeah, I will always exfoliate, usually before I shave. I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's how I do it. Exfoliate, then shave. And that just leaves my skin ready, prepped, soft, amazing. And then I'll come out of the shower, I will obviously moisturize my body. I do that after every shower, if you've seen my shower routine. Moisturizing is very key for me because I have very dry body skin. And then for makeup, I honestly usually keep makeup like pretty natural. I don't know, I want to like look like myself on a date. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Chanel Soleil Tan to warm up the face. Now I'm going to use Glossier Wowder. So yeah, I'll just really focus, because my skin isn't like the greatest, I focus a lot of the products that I use. Like most of the time I'm focusing on just making my skin look nice and glowy and covered, and so my acne, you know, acne or scarring or whatever isn't like peeking through. It's like my main priority. But I mean, you can obviously do whatever you want. This is just what makes me feel best. For eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do something really simple and natural. I'm gonna take the Nude Sticks Entice. It's like one of my favorite colors. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. On every day, like I just find putting this color on the lid is just a nice like add-on. Makes your look really put together. We're just gonna use this as a base for tonight. And then I'm just gonna take the like brown color in the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize, and I'm just gonna put that into the crease. I always keep the colors pretty natural on the eyes. Again, just trying to look like myself, but cuter. I'm gonna go back into the Exaggerize palette and take this like brown shimmery color on just a flat brush and put that on the lid. I mean, I won't do this makeup look every time, but I'll always just kind of like experiment with neutral colors. Sometimes they'll be like more brown, sometimes they'll be orangey toned, sometimes they'll be more pink toned. Really depends on how I'm feeling. And then I'm gonna take the lightest color in here and put this on the inner corner. And like that's it for eyes, you know, like just keeping it super easy and natural. I would maybe take an eyeliner, but I don't think I have any here. For blush, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So good. I love this color, like love. And I'm just gonna take this massive brush and add this on. I'm obsessed with this color. Looks so good and so glowy. And like, I don't know, I love it. I feel like it would suit like almost every skin tone as well. So what have I covered? Shaving, exfoliating, lotioning, obviously. And then there's also this product called Deodoc that are just like intimate wipes. You don't use them inside of you, you just use them around and like they're for freshening up. And I usually keep like 1 or 2 of those in my purse just because like I like to feel fresh. I'm gonna use Hoola and just add some bronzer. So that's a great product. There's also like an intimate wash for the shower. Again, you don't use these products inside of your body, use them just on the outside. So I always use something like that. I'm sorry, I'm a little scattered because we've been like moving around so much. But I also love smelling good. I mean, who doesn't? So I will always wear like my favorite perfume and like make sure my hair products smell really nice. Joey, will you go into my black bag and there's actually I think my white purse and the Milk dry shampoo is in there. So always my favorite perfume. I like more like masculine scents, I feel like. So I kind of gravitate towards those. Soothing and dry shampoo, it's small. Yeah. Okay, never mind. So I gravitate towards more like masculine scents, just what I like. I'm gonna use this NARS Luminaire as my highlight. So my favorites right now are Vanille 44 by Labo. I love Labo scents. They're so expensive, oh my god. So I always get like the travel size ones because they're like $100, but like the full size is like $300. So expensive. Canadian, obviously talking Canadian prices. But so yeah, Vanille 44, which I think was like a Paris exclusive. I don't know if it is anymore, but I love it. And then I also love Santal. I mean, I think everyone loves Santal 33 by them. It's like such a good scent. So yeah, those are my favorite right now. Especially going into winter, I think they're really nice winter scents. I love Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille as well, but that's like a super wintry scent to me. I love it though, oh my God. And then we're almost done with makeup. So I'm gonna use this Benefit Roller Lash because I can't find anything else. And then for outfit, I'm actually gonna show you my outfit that I wear tonight, but I always go with an outfit that I just like know that I feel really good and comfortable in. And I think that's like the best way that you can dress on a date. If you want to see a date night looks outfit video, I have one, but I can obviously do an updated one. Just comment down below. But I'll always wear something that I just like, I love, I feel confident in, which is usually like a white tee, black jeans or gray jeans, or even light wash jeans. I really like jeans. And then I'll usually wear like a leather jacket or some sort of jacket. You never know if you're gonna get cold, especially in Canada. And boots and heeled boots. I'll always wear like some sort of heel because that makes me feel the most confident. So I usually wear like white, black Saint Laurent booties. And that's like what makes me feel best. So that's what I do. For lips, I've been obsessed with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So let's line my lip. I also love the like, I don't know if they have other colors. There's this Milk Makeup one. It's in my purse right now. I love it. I love their lip products. So that's pretty much what I'll do for date night. I feel really comfortable with my natural hair. I like it. So I'll just leave my hair natural for a date, but feel free to do your hair. And what else? So yeah, my natural, what? Other things I'll do, I always white my teeth before a date. Especially if it's like a date with someone that you know, are just meeting or something like that. I always white my teeth before a date. So I'll just like white strips. And then I'll always wear like sexy underwear, always. Just like, even if it's like a first date, nothing's gonna happen. It just makes you feel good, makes you feel confident. Well, me anyway, that's what makes me feel confident. Smelling good, skin feels good, and that's what I do. So thank you guys so much for watching this little quick get ready with me for date night and how I feel sexy. Thank you Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it because obviously I'm in love with you and your services. Leave a comment down below if you want date night outfits, or let me know how, like, what products you use to feel sexy, or what you do. I'd love to know. Just saw Always. Now we're back at the hotel. We're gonna go for dinner. Just grab the car. This is what I'm wearing. So it's tough to see, this lighting isn't great, but just a big t-shirt, leather jacket, jeans, and boots. And this bag. We just finished dinner. My lipstick is completely off. And we have never been to Urban Light in LA, so
we came.
And it's really, really busy.
It's 10 on a Sunday.
Oh yeah, it's 10 p.m. on a Sunday, and it's like there's so many people there. It's crazy. But we're gonna just go take a little walk. I mean, hopefully Natalie Portman and Ashton Kutcher are there. Okay, this purple glow is
courtesy
of our, we have a neon light in our room. That's it for tonight. Thank you for coming on our date and for getting ready with me. There's a floating head.
And remember, folks,
peace and love you all. Bye.